Okay, so in our previous video, we looked at how to install a Coinomi wallet on your Android device, which is a multi crypto wallet that allows you to have so many cryptocurrencies in one wallet. I think it's the most convenient Android app when it comes to cryptocurrency wallets. So you can have Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash, Pivx, Stratus, Dogecoin, Game Credits, Verge, Digibyte, Vertcoin, Links, so many coins in one wallet at one place at one time. But one feature of Coinomi that stands out very, very well is the inbuilt exchange. You can see at the top here we have ShapeShift and we have Changelly. These two exchanges allow you to exchange for another cryptocurrency with the one you have. So you have Bitcoin, you want Dash, you want Ethereum, you want Litecoin. You don't need to go buy them from a different exchange, from a different crypto broker. You can just exchange with the inbuilt exchanges. And what happens is, even if you haven't opened a wallet for any of these cryptocurrencies, you have a wallet automatically generated for you within the wallet, and then you get your crypto deposited. What also happens is you can also exchange for tokens. So let's say you have a cryptocurrency and you want a token, you can also use these exchanges to get these coins. So first of all, let's try with ShapeShift. So first of all, once you hit it, it integrates with the exchange. Just opens it, select the coins you wish to exchange. The converted coins will be automatically added to your wallet. But this given rate includes what a transaction fee. So we have it's asking us, want to exchange Potcoin, or you can just choose anything you want. So let's say we want to exchange Potcoin for Bitcoin. So let's say I don't have Bitcoin and I want to exchange the Potcoin I have for Bitcoin. So I just come here. How much Potcoin do I want to exchange? So let's say, well, I want to exchange 60 Potcoin. I enter that. It gives me the equivalent in Bitcoin. It's really very small. So I hit next. And then what comes is it gives me my details. It tells me, okay, I want to exchange 60 Potcoins. Equivalent is $14.88 US. A transaction fee of 0.0010 Potcoins. That's a very negligible amount of transaction fee. But I receive in place of that 0.00081850 in Bitcoin. That's like roughly $9.33. You enter your password, you confirm, and then boom, that's that. So that's it for ShapeShift. It's a pretty much same interface for Changelly. You want to exchange Potcoin for Bitcoin. Let's try this. So let's say we want to exchange Bitcoin for what? Bitcoin for Litecoin, say, right? So let's say we want to exchange 0.002. Will it work? Okay, it tells me for 0.002 I'll get 0.1071713 Litecoin. So I hit next. Okay, it says the minimum amount we can try. Okay, so we have to enter more. Let's just do 0.03, shall we? Yeah. Okay, so it tells me I get 0.16075 Litecoin. I hit next. It contacts the exchange, is inbuilt. So it tells me, all right, so I want to exchange 0.0030 Bitcoin to worth 34.32 USD. Transaction fee will be roughly just $1. And I'm going to receive 0.150 Litecoin, roughly $31.87. I enter my password, I confirm, and that is that. You just get your coins. It's very simple, very intuitive, very easy to understand, and I think that's one thing that makes the Coinomi wallet really, really great. In our next video, we'll explore how to do some pretty cool stuff within the app. It's quite interesting. All right, so for now, hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment, and we'll catch you soon. All right, see you soon.